Changing your primary email on AWeber is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your AWeber account. Visit the AWeber website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account option in the top menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Details. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Account Details. This section contains your current email information. Step 4. Update your primary email. Look for the field labeled Primary Email. Enter your new email address in this field, ensuring there are no typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on AWeber. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages to complete the process.